Don't overdo perfection. Understanding Gild the Lily. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners: do not gild the lily. This saying is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can not only enhance your English skills but also offer insight into the culture and nuances of the language. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, "do not gild the lily," is used to advise against adding unnecessary embellishments or making superfluous enhancements to something that is already beautiful or perfect. The word, gild, means to cover something in a thin layer of gold, and a lily is a type of flower that is often associated with beauty and purity. Put together, the imagery suggests that adding gold to a lily would not make it more beautiful, because it is already perfect as it is. This expression encourages us to avoid overdoing something that is already good enough, highlighting the beauty of simplicity and the risk of spoiling something by trying to excessively improve it. Interestingly, the common form, "do not gild the lily," is actually a misquote. The original phrase comes from William Shakespeare's play, King John, where the line goes, "To gild refined gold, to paint the lily as wasteful and ridiculous excess." Over time, the phrase was shortened and slightly altered to the version we use today. This evolution shows how expressions can change over time but still retain their original meaning and impact. Now that we know what it means, let's look at some examples of how to use "gild the lily" in conversation. When discussing a friend's over-the-top wedding plans, you might say, "I think having a live orchestra is gilding the lily." The venue is already breathtaking on its own. After receiving a beautifully designed product, commenting, "Adding any more decorations would just gild the lily." In a work meeting, when a colleague suggests adding more features to an already user-friendly app, "Let's not gild the lily. It's perfect as it is." It's best to use "gild the lily" in contexts where you want to emphasize that something is already at its best and additional enhancements are unnecessary or might even be detrimental. It's a great way to express the idea that sometimes, less is more. However, remember to use it in situations where the nuance is understood and appreciated, typically in more informal discussions or with those familiar with such idiomatic expressions. Understanding phrases like, "do not gild the lily," not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into the history and culture behind the English language. It reminds us of the value in simplicity and the importance of recognizing when something is sufficiently beautiful or effective as it is. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, in language as in life, sometimes perfection is best left untouched. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.